Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see the strategy for UPSC CSE 2024. So counting the time that we have 20 months left for 2024 prelims. So I'm considering prelims will be held in June 2024. So we have 20 months left with us. So I will tell you what should be done in this 20 months. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So the very first thing you have to do is, when you are preparing for UPSC, first thing is you have to complete your NCERTs, because NCERTs are the basic books that builds a strong foundation. So it is always advisable to finish your NCERTs before you start your preparation of standard books. So this NCERTs should be read in 3 to 4 months. That is, if you start reading NCERTs from October, finish them by January or by December ending, whatever the time, finish the NCERTs by January. So once you have finished your NCERTs, then choose a particular optional that you want to read for UPSC. So this optional choosing should be done by January. So by January 2023 you should be ready in choosing optional, and you should finish your NCERTs that are suggested to be finished for UPSC. So once you are done with these two, the next thing is you have to start your preparation with GS paper 2. So I previously told in my videos also that our preparation should start with GS paper 2, because in UPSC current affairs plays a major role. So in order to understand newspaper and in order to understand that news, it is always advisable to start your preparation with GS paper 2, so that you will understand what are the news that is going on, and you will be able to identify the current affairs that are required for UPSC preparation. So what I would tell is, from February to April, finish your GS paper 2, not the entire GS paper 2, some major portions like polity and constitution, international relations. If you have time, you can also finish governance. So by April you have to finish certain parts of GS paper 2, and after that, from May onwards till July 2023, you have to concentrate on GS paper 1. And in this GS paper 1, try to finish your modern history, geography, and if you have time, you can finish ancient and medieval history. So once you have done with this, the next thing is, from August to October, you should concentrate on GS paper 3. So in this GS paper 3, finish economy, environment and ecology, and if time permits, finish science and technology. So by October you have to finish GS paper 1, 2, 3 syllabus, and that too particularly some subjects itself. So after this, from November to February, you are going to revise GS paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and in these 4 months you are going to prepare the other topics that you have left. Like from GS paper 2 you have left social justice, from GS paper 1 you have left art and culture, world history, and from GS paper 3 you have left internal security and disaster management. So in these 4 months, try to finish art and culture, world history, like what are the important topics, what are the important subjects that are required. Try to finish them in these 4 months. And after February, from March to May, you are going to concentrate only on prelims for 2024. So this is a basic idea. And here I have told you that after finishing your NCERTs, you are going to start your preparation with GS paper 2, right? So here what you are supposed to do is, from April onwards, that is from April 2023, you have to start reading your newspaper every day, because you have completed certain portion of the syllabus, and you will be able to understand what is going on in the world. So it will be helpful for you to identify the news easily. So from April onwards, you are going to read your newspaper every day, and from May you are going to practice answer writing, because answer writing should be done only when 30 to 40% of your syllabus is completed. So I think by April you will be completing certain parts of the syllabus of UPSC. So it is advisable to start answer writing practice from May. That is, write only one answer every day because you have lot of time. So you can slowly increase the time for answer writing practice. From May, write one answer every day. And along with this, for optional preparation, you have to start preparing for optional from February till February. That is, you are giving 1 year time, 12 months time for your optional, and every day try to complete certain portion of your optional. And also along with optional, every day you are preparing for, you have to prepare ethics also. That is, you have to prepare GS4 also. So that what happens, your ethics part will be done and your optional will be done and all your GS papers will be done, and you don't need to worry about syllabus completion. So I hope you have understood this. And one more important thing here is the schedule, what schedule you have to follow every day. So as I told, we are going to start our preparation from October. So from October we are going to read NCERTs, right? So in these 4 months, 3 to 4 months, every day try to read at least 20 pages, like depending on your capacity. Try to complete certain part of NCERTs, so that your NCERTs will be completed on time. And the timetable for all these subjects will be given in another video. So I hope you have understood a simple strategy that should be followed for 2024. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you are worried about how to choose your optional, how to read NCERTs, how to decode the syllabus, how to write, how to start your answer writing, all these things I have already made videos on that. If you want, you can watch that videos, or if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.